Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll show you how you can withdraw money from Astropay to your mobile wallet. Astropay doesn't have the option to direct withdraw money to mobile money, but don't worry, I'm showing you a way where you can send your Astropay money to your mobile money. First, open your Astropay wallet and log in with your credentials, and from here you will see option send exchange voucher. From here, select send. Then here you will see several options. You can send to a contact, to a bank account, to debit or credit card or cash. From here we will select to a bank account. Now now enter your currency here. Now then tap on your amount to send, then select bank transfer again, and then follow the prompt. And after send your money to your bank account, you can easily send from your bank account to your mobile, and that's how you can send your Astropay money to your mobile money. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like.